Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. And this is a car you don't see that often anymore. It's my 2020 Ford Explorer. This used to be my daily driver, and now my wife drives it every day, and I use the Tesla mainly as a daily driver. So what can I tell you guys about this car? You've seen it before in some of the videos, and I also made a video about it, how well it holds up for its age. And let me give you some facts about it. This is a 2020 Explorer. It has the 3-liter V6 engine, and it's the platinum trim, so the top of the line. I bought this in fall 2019, but it was already the 2020 model, so this is one of the very first ones when the redesign came. Do I love this car still? I do. I mean, obviously I don't drive it as a daily driver anymore. I also felt like there's a lot of room in it, but leg wise for my knees it's not as optimal as, for example, something like my F-150 or even the Tesla is really comfortable for my size that I have. But I still love it, you know, especially with those wheels here. It came with the silver platinum wheels, which look exactly the same, and I had these powder coated in black, so they look like the ST wheels. It's also the same size, the 20-inch ones. Now so far the vehicle has been great, but now I went to the service at Ford, yeah, here in town, and there are some issues with it now. You can't tell when you see it. I'll look underneath it sometimes and everything looks dry and good, but they have three major things they detected. So number one is the rear shocks are leaking apparently. So rear shocks leaking. The transmission is wet, so there's like a small leak, not enough that we see it on the ground. And the CV joints, you know, the boots there need to be replaced. So that's something pretty common for the Explorer, CV joints. And the rest, I'm not sure. I think, yeah, it is what it is. Now they took a video of it with all the repairs that need to be done, where you should see that, but they haven't sent it to me since they had a problem with their system, which is okay, I understand that. But I'll get that. As soon as I get that, I'll have more information about it and I can say more about it. Is this something that makes me happy? No, of course this does not make me happy at all, you know. I mean, the vehicle is getting older, but I really was hoping we wouldn't have these type of issues already, but we do now, you know. One thing is the paint is kind of lost its shine, but that's okay. We can polish that up and then that will be fine again. Yeah, let's look at the mileage. All right, transmission not in park. I did that on purpose, so see if the daytime running lights are on. Okay, here we are, 78,452 miles. So that's the miles, and of course that's, you know, it's not horrible, but it's quite a bit for the vehicle in 5 years. So 5 years old, almost 80,000 miles. This is the first time that there's a problem with the vehicle or something that needs to be repaired. So is that good or is that bad? I think it's acceptable. The problem now is who will fix it. I'm not going to do that by myself. I'm not good enough to do those types of repairs. Will I go to Ford? Maybe, I don't know. I suspect that they are a lot more expensive than an independent mechanic. So I'll get an estimate from Ford and I'll take that, look at it, and I'll go somewhere else and see what they charge for it, and I'll probably go there and have it taken care of. Because we like the vehicle, we want to keep it. We are not ready to let go of it. So that's what you do, you know, you maintain your vehicles and then they'll last you for a very long time. I think the least important is the rear shocks, because they feel great. They say they leak, but it's probably very minor. Transmission, yes, it's a good thing to do that, and the CV joints there. Well, let's see what it is. It's just a boot or what it is. Probably good. Good to fix that as well. Yeah, this was just an update on the Ford Explorer. Great vehicle, still love it. Too bad this happened, so that's the plan, get it fixed, and then in spring think we'll put something, polish the whole vehicle up so the paint shines again, because it is so flat, you know, the wheels, everything is just not shiny anymore. It doesn't look really good, but first of all, you need the mechanics need to be okay, so have it fixed sometime this year before the year ends, and then it will be great. Other than that, it holds up really well. The seats look like brand new. So this broke, but that is something easy to fix, and I'll fix that. Okay guys, welcome to the channel, is what I said earlier. Nope, that's not what I'm gonna say now. I want to say this was it for now, but this is also a good moment to subscribe, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. And see you soon on this channel, maybe with this vehicle if I have the estimates, or with one of the others. So have a wonderful Sunday, and we'll see you soon.